Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Fivem has encounter error, good load component, Windows code error 126, for example 126 error. How to fix this, how to fix Fivem failed. So here there are some methods that you can try. So the first method that I'm usually try is install and reinstall Visual C++ redistributables. So here, Fivem failed to load DLL 126 error usually indicates a problem with missing or corrupted Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages on your system, which are necessary for Fivem to run properly. So the 126 error code specifically means the system cannot find the specified DLL files to load. So you can install and reinstall this Visual C. You can get Microsoft Visual C redistributable with the supported downloads from the official website of Microsoft. Also, you can access on a learn.microsoft.com. So you can download this all three files. Here you can find the latest one, and this is the latest version 14 point blah blah blah. You can read it, and here you can check for corrupted file. You can run sfc.scan now #scan now. So you can run command prompt run as administrator, then you can type sfc space stack and scan now. Now you can hit enter. So here this is the system file checker to check for corrupted files and repair your corrupted system files. And also you can try to verify Fivem installation. You can reinstall the Fivem to ensure all necessary files are present. Antivirus, you can try to temporarily disable your antivirus software and run the Fivem launcher as administrator. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.